Residents and business owners at Mission Road by Washington Junction, Benin City, woke up and found newborn baby abandoned in a moat in the area. According to some local residents, they discovered that the baby was dead.
Woman like me do this thing, he pay me. He not go better for the person. The person cannot see Pikin for life. Anywhere he go, he cannot see Pikin. God cannot forgive him. The devil cannot forgive him. I come Korum, come carry fish. Now that my fellow women they talk and say, "Oh, mama, they moat for here." Now I say, "Sin is believing." Now wrong come. I reach there, people gather for here. Nobody go open. Whether na boy, whether na girl. Now wrong as I reach there now, open the cord, open the pampers. Now baby girl, the girl now yesterday night the girl born the Pikin. He pay me, I got 2 children. Supposing the Pikin dey alive, I for carry.
This morning we can say the poor Pikin for some moat here. The thing make us cry because we not expect the kind of thing, and we dey pray say anybody want to do this kind of thing for in life when it come, you know, will get peace. This Pikin with the portion money. Afternoon, in the evening, and in the night. I so will be to the very person because I see no reason. If you never find Pikin for life, you will live, you will stay.
Meanwhile, a security man in the area said he saw a young man and a woman around 10 p.m. on Tuesday night going into the moat where the lifeless body of the baby was discovered.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today now about one video when I see just now where they say somebody born Pikin yesterday. So he just go put the Pikin for inside bush. Then as I talk to her now the Pikin door me. The thing constructualize me when I see the video. I was like, what did they happen to our girls of nowadays? What did they happen to now? Eh? As you go born Pikin, you go see use your hand make that Pikin. Tomorrow now when you come to look for Pikin, you don't come see now you come they give wish. They give a wish and a wish cause. How you go do that kind thing? You born Pikin, you make your own Pikin. That is very bad. Very, very bad. My people. I see say market to me people they cry before they reach there. Even news don't even carry themselves. They don't know who born that Pikin. As a job born the Pikin, you just say nobody they come. You just go by yourself. Meme the Pikin. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. No, we see they think before we go do things for this life now. You know good. Eh? Okay, this kind of person I will come they cry tomorrow. Say I not see Pikin born. I not see Pikin born. I dey look for Pikin for how many years oh? I not see you. Whereas you don't use that and take me your own Pikin. You know good. You know good at all. Eh? As I just see the video just now, the thing just shockalize me. People they cry. People they where they look for Pikin. Where they pray, tire me they see Pikin born. They not see. You will see. You just born the Pikin finish, you go through here. So when I see they do this thing for Nigeria there. Now wow. Eh? This kind of people now, you go see that you go there inside there, they cry with themselves. As they cry today, now don't be surprised that the girl go there, they cry. You carry belly, you know, say you know fit. Why you not remove them before the 9 months? The man where you should say born the Pikin reach 9 months, not go reach you. He not go reach you. Take care of the Pikin. This girl just me Pikin. Where God creates, make it come this life. This girl just pay me. Before people know what they happen, the Pikin don't die. I remember that time when when they go school that time for Indian college. Many of them always say Benin go no Indian college. You get one moat where they did that and I saw people they do them. They all carry children. If they born Pikin, they don't fit take care of them. They all carry and go through for inside that time. That's what they do. I'm not that surprised I see this one because many of our adult women they do that thing well. They do. You go born Pikin, you go through. You know good. It is very, very bad. It is very, very bad. Many of us, some of our adult people will not be all. It's not good. The man where we should take born the Pikin, the man not come should take care of the Pikin. The man not come should take care of the Pikin. When you call your carry Pikin, where you don't really born call this life, you carry and go by yourself. Go no, very very bad. So I see the video. I said no. This one not good there. It is very very bad. I'll put the video make una see my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. So that if you get sisters, so maybe say they carry belly all the time, they go the true. Yeah, may they use this one city lane. It's not good. Don't think this person is doing it, not good. This Pikin are not going to forgive you. We not going to forgive you because tomorrow when you go need them, when you go need Pikin, you not go see you. You not go see. People get mind. Hey, you want to see this kind of mind, this kind of mind. You if you do this kind of thing. Carry Pikin when you don't already born finish. Go through where. I fear now. Come me. I don't feel do. Hey, I fear something die. The man don't wish me to born. I go wish to take care of him. For you to go through. Well, if you can't go motherless baby so they full Nigeria there. Or if you still come up for the side, give them donate for you. Instead of you to go born Pikin, go through where. Not good. Very bad, yeah. People they look for, they don't see. You know how many people don't pay, spend money, maybe let come. They don't see. They don't spend money, buy the from medicine. If you tell person where they look for Pikin, make you eat shit, you go eat them. That's why I say the ten I say go give my Pikin. Talk less of you where you see, you carry your hand. Say no. This is this life, shall. This is this life, oh. I fear I will not fear the person who do this thing, sha. I fear I will not fear you. You're supposed to say, if family never know say get belly. You never know some people. If family not go even know. Say get belly. You say, I see you're born and make yourself you just go through, yeah. Or for me bad, yeah. If you look for person where they look for Pikin, you for dash on the Pikin. I see one woman today say, suppose I even tell me say make I carry the Pikin. Say maybe I see the Pikin say they are like for carry. Say if I get you for carry, I go join you. Eh? God forbid about you. As I start to the bomb Pikin, I know say my first Pikin, I was so happy when I see him. That's why they look him. So now me born this Pikin so. God forbid about him. I put the video make una see my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Residents and business owners at Mission Road by Washington Junction, Benin City, woke up and found newborn baby abandoned in a moat in the area. According to some local residents, they discovered that the baby was dead.
Woman like me do this thing, he pay me. He not go better for the person. The person cannot see Pikin for life. Anywhere he go, he cannot see Pikin. God cannot forgive him. The devil cannot forgive him. I come Korum, come carry fish. Now that my fellow women they talk and say, "Oh, mama, they moat for here." Now I say, "Sin is believing." Now wrong come. I reach there, people gather for here. Nobody go open. Whether na boy, whether na girl. Now wrong as I reach there now, open the cord, open the pampers, now baby girl. The girl now yesterday night the girl born the Pikin. He pay me, I got 2 children. Supposing the Pikin they alive for carry.
This morning we can see the poor Pikin for example here. The thing make us cry because we not expect the kind of thing. And we they pray say anybody want to do this kind of thing for in life when they come, you know, get peace. This Pikin with the portion money. Afternoon, in the evening, and in the night. I say we will be to the very person because I see no reason. If you never find Pikin for life, you will live, you will stay.
Meanwhile, a security man in the area said he saw a young man and a woman around 10 p.m. on Tuesday night going into the moat where the lifeless body of the baby was discovered.
I don't know what they're doing for them. So I just want to go for that place now. For near this and that's just that I go to because some say, I think that why we go to fight
the time of this report, the body of the baby was still in the moat. Don and Eminyen reporting.